In this video, I will show you how to create a fishbone stitch. I will be using an embroidery needle and 100% cotton stranded embroidery thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. Bring the needle up at the top of your shape and back down again halfway down in the center. Bring the needle back up just next to the first stitch you've made and back down overlapping your first stitch. Repeat this on the opposite side. Repeat this until your shape is filled. Here you will see I have filled my shape with a fishbone stitch.